How to freeze your location on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can freeze your location in your Snapchat account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app and get logged into your Snapchat account. Now from here, tap on the location or maps icon on your bottom left. As you do so, if you have not allowed access for Snapchat to your location, tap on Allow. Once you allow it, you will be able to see the settings option on your top right. Tap Open it and make sure that you have toggled on Ghost Mode. As this is enabled, your friends cannot see your location. And also make sure that you have toggled on Hide My Live Location option. Now let's go ahead and open up our Settings app. Under here, tap onto Apps and search for Snapchat. Under Usage, tap onto Storage and clear the cache. As you do so, go back and tap onto Permissions. And tap onto Location and tap on Don't Allow. As you do so, this will freeze your Snapchat location. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.